The favorite remains number 11, Shimmering Pebbles. Ang ating galing. Joining in. Anytime now, race number 9. Santa Ana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Race number 9, penultimate race. Anytime now, race number 9. The favorite remains number 11, Shimmering Pebbles. Second choice, Musashi. Third choice, Ang Ating Galing. Also selling Bonjour Work of Art. Race number 9, Class Division 1A. With a favorite, Shimmering Pebbles. The favorite, Shimmering Pebbles, owned by Mr. Cunanan and trained by Mr. Dabe de la Cruz. All set now, ready to race. Race number 9. Gate starter still away from the bottom. And the race is on. Moving up, the Surgeon rushing up, Shimmering Pebbles to grab the lead. Work of art, Escapo. Shimmering Pebbles, work of art, Escapo. The Surgeon racing in port, running in fifth is Ang Ating Galing. And racing by the rushing up is Musashi, Cat May, bound to be running Danori inside, Kitek Niki, rather about to be. As they race the last 700, Shimmering Pebbles by a length and a half. Ang Ating Galing racing on the outside, work of art. The Surgeon is running in port and rounding the far turn, Shimmering Pebbles by a length and a half. Ang Ating Galing, work of art on the outside, Escapo, and here comes Musashi, the Surgeon, Kitek Niki, about to be, as they race the final corner. The favorite, Shimmering Pebbles, while the rider still with tight range. On the outside is Ang Ating Galing, Musashi. Shimmering Pebbles on the outside. Ang Ating Galing, Bonjour Danori inside. And nearing the finish line, it's a scintillating run coming from Shimmering Pebbles. Ang Ating Galing, Bonjour, Musashi, the Surgeon. Penta